第一站是夸拉菲，
在哪？
In any given geographical location, there may only be 2 or 3 species growing. After they have feed, they will sleep. So koalas do get very little energy from that leaf, and because of that, they do sleep a lot. So it's between 18 and 20 hours a day. We are also required to put our koalas to Thank you all. Enjoy your day.
So they only eat leaves and only insects and...
Koalas are starving, so I had to climb up there. If I had to climb up there, there's an easier way to get to the top, and that is river.
8+9，帮派。
Anything in front of their face, whether that's your fingers or your toes, to them is literally food. So please make sure you're careful while you're feeding them. I'm going to sit over this side, step this way, and you can start feeding happily.
不吃了，不吃了。
She's gonna drop it. Are you gonna?
Is it too good?
There you go. We'll come over this end.
好。
碰到他的嘴尖，他太等不及了，我应该生气。
And I think we're very lucky to have some here. However, you won't naturally find wombats in North Queensland. They're actually naturally found in the southern part of Queensland, parts of New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania, as well as down south. And the reason for that is they actually bring wombats just at the back. We keep wombats here at Billabong. We actually Good work, Scarlett. But I'll tell you that that's not what they were originally called. When Europeans arrived first in Australia, so it seems that's our talons, hence why we use the thick leather gloves while we bring them out. This guy here, unfortunately, does not have strong palps. That is normal behaviour. This is like a documentary happening in front of me right now, okay? So this here is my friend Freeze, and she of course is a bushstone curlew. They are one of our treasured local dogs. Great job. Can we give her a round of applause, guys? Yes.
Everyone and more like it.
I love them. Oh, can I actually
I know.
give them a little tap?
So soft.
Very soft, okay.
Buying or anything like that.
So he actually was rescued from the wild. He was found in a box near someone's pool. So he got stuck and injured himself. So he has a few issues. And that's what's, I guess, led him into captivity. So they deemed him not suitable to be wild, and now he's here. So.